This video will show you how to change the release time for Hold Till Reservations. Hold Till Reservations block or hold rooms temporarily. Hotelogix lets you easily set this hold time or update it as needed. Let us see how. Hold Till Reservations are indicated by their own unique color. Click the desired Hold Till reservation. The single reservation panel opens. Click the View button. The reservation opens in a new tab. The date and time next to Hold Till on the header indicates the release time. Click Date and Time to edit. Hold Till panel opens up. Edit the Hold Till date by clicking on the calendar. The Hold Till time of the reservation can be selected from the drop-down option. Alternatively, you may also use the Release After option. This option can be used if you wish to release the booking after a fixed period. You can select minutes, hours, day, month or year from the drop-down. Click the Save button. The new release time will be updated in the Hold Till on the header. Close the reservation by clicking on the Close tab. This brings us to the end of this video on how to change the release time for Hold Till Reservations.